How to unfollow and block someone on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about unfollowing and blocking someone on Instagram. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you open the Instagram application on your mobile device. And if you're using your PC or computer, just go ahead and search for Instagram.com and then make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Simply open your profile and then after, access your following list. From there, pick a user you'd like to unfollow. Once you go to their profile, tap on this following button over here, just beside their username. You will come across various options like add this user to your close friend list, add to favorites, mute, restrict, and unfollow. As we are trying to unfollow and block the person, we are just going to tap on unfollow and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And there you will see the option of block, that is the initial one highlighted in red color. Simply tap on it and again tap on block to confirm to block this user and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can unfollow and block someone on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.